Hi everyone and welcome in this new Nalios tutorial on Odoo. This is the third video of our series regarding the discount and loyalty program into Odoo, and today's video is about putting in place and set up the rewards on your program for your customers to be able to get discount and free product, for example. So to do so, once again, you can go through the sales app or the point of sales app to go to your discount and loyalty program. And here we are going to go through every reward that I set up on each program type that we saw in the previous videos. And let's start with the coupons. And so in this first program type, as you can see, to add a reward, I have the possibility to click on this button. But let's go into it, let's dip into it and check what kind of option do you have to set those up. And in this situation, you've got once again the basic configuration of what you can do regarding the rewards of your program. And in this situation, the first field that you will meet is the reward type. And in this field, you've got plenty of options. The first one is free product, which means that you will be able to offer free product to the customer which apply to this loyalty program, for example. Next one will be discount, which is the one set up on this one. And the last one is free shipping, and we are going to see everyone to show you how this works. So in this situation, I've set it up a reward type discount. That means that I am able to set up the amount of the discount. So in this example, I selected 10. Here I've got the possibility to select what kind of discount it will be. So I have the possibility to take percentage, euros, and euros per point. In this situation, as you can see, I selected the percentage, which means that when the customer will use this program, they will be able to be granted 10% discount on the order on which they want them to be applied. And I also have the possibility to set a maximum discount in euros. So let's imagine that I would like to block the amount discounted to 10 euros without any concern regarding the amount of the order. I can absolutely put 10 euros here, and the discount granted would not be bigger than 10 euros, even though the calcul should give them more than 10. You also have the possibility to select in exchange of what, and more precisely in exchange of how many points of reduction the customer will have access to the reward. This is linked also to how many points the conditional rules that you set up on the program will grant them to be able to know to what extent they are able to use and to access to those rewards. And you also have the possibility to add a description just here that will appear on, for example, the ticket that they will receive at the end of the order. So that's the first step. Let's go to our next loyalty program. And for example, on this one, on the loyalty card that we have, we've got two rewards. The first one is the free shipping type that you saw earlier. Once again, here a little bit less option. So when I select the free shipping option, I still have the possibility to put a maximum discount on it, and also to select the amount that this free shipping will cost in loyalty points. You also have the possibility to clear all the promo points available on the contact. That means that, for example, this one costs 100 point of loyalty. And let's imagine that my customer have 120 of them. If they claim for this free shipping, the 120 will be cleared and they will have no point anymore. You also once again have the possibility to add a description on the order. So that's for the first one, and in the other one, once again, we have I would say a classical discount in percentage on the order that we want. Let's go to the next one, and here we've got once again 5%. Those are costing 1 point of promo that we grant thanks to the conditional rules. And once again, as you can see, we've got the description on the order that will appear and that you are going to see on the test that we are going to do later. We also have another option here, which is to choose on which product we are going to apply the 5% discount. So we've got the possibility to check to take them on the order, but also to do that on the cheapest product or onto one specific product. If I choose a specific product, as you can see, the filter, the domain, such as in the conditional rules, appear on the right, allowing you to put filters to what product the discount will be applied on. Let's go to the next one, and here, as you can see, we selected the specific product and with the right filter, but also with the possibility to select the product just here. As you can see, the 10% discount will only be applied to the chair when someone is buying a chair in exchange of 1 point of discount. Let's go to the next one, and in this situation, you remember that we would like to have a free washing powder when we bought 2 washing powder. So as you can see, the reward type would be the free product. The quantity rewarded will be 1 because we want to do 2 plus 1 free. You select the product that you would like to offer to your customer, and also you need to set up the cost of it, and in this situation it is 1 credit. You need to make sure that this is the same as you grant in the conditional rule just here, as you can see. And for the last one option, we've got a classical 50% discount on the order with once again the description that will appear on the ticket at the end of the order. So feel free to ask if you have any question, feel free to ask them into the comment. We'll answer to it with pleasure. Once again, thanks for watching this video, and I'm see you in the next one regarding the test and also how to manage the different loyalty program that you have onto your database. Thanks once again, and see you soon. Bye.